Life began in the Earth's oceans, and when it did, it was simple, anaerobic, and unicellular. And physically, it was carbon-based. Life multiplies, right? As it did, the carbon from the atmosphere was getting fixed. That was the first notable impact of life on materials on Earth. The carbon dioxide started leaving the atmosphere. Then life moved on, looking for better ways. Cyanobacteria evolved, with photosynthetic ability, a process that fixed carbon efficiently. And it released oxygen as a byproduct. Fed by nutrients in the sea, and powered by the sun, cyanobacteria exploded across the ocean, pumping more and more oxygen out. Thus began the carbon-oxygen cycle. We call it a cycle because it wasn't always a linear progression. Whenever life flourished, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is absorbed. Carbon gets fixed, and oxygen gets liberated. Notable periods being the Archean and the Ordovician, where the balance changed aggressively. But there were at least 3 times in the history of Earth where other events tipped this balance in the previous direction. The Siberian trap eruptions in the Permian, massive volcanic eruptions from the Central Atlantic magmatic province in the Triassic, and the asteroid impact in the Cretaceous period, all these events caused burning of the carbonaceous deposits, consuming atmospheric oxygen, and spewing out huge amounts of carbon dioxide. But, always, the life that came next grew bigger, better, and saw to that the balance is restored.